Jai Gurudev, my name is K.RISHI Prannav. Today I am going to do the water lamp. So, the Diwali meaning light over darkness. The word Diwali comes from the Sanskrit word Deepavali, which means rows of light and lamps. So, before going to the process of making, I wish you a happy Diwali in advance. So now we are going to see how to make water lamp. So I have collected many glasses. So I have collected 6 glasses. So these are the glasses. So in these glasses we are going to do the water lamp. So I have collected these from my house. So first, for the water lamp we need a water. So I have taken some water in this. So I am going to pour water inside this. So I have poured in all glasses. I have poured water inside this. So you can see this water. So next we are going to add some food color inside this water. So I have kept 6 colors of food color. So these are, so I have taken like this. So I will pour one by one. So I have poured food color in all of these glasses. So next we are going to put some ingredients into this water. So I have some things like this in my house. I will put this inside this glass. So I will put this inside this. So I will put this inside this. So now I had some balls and some ingredients. So I will put this. So I have taken some sheets like this. So I will put this inside. I will take this inside. So like this. So you can see clearly. So now I have some toothpick like structures. So I will take this as design. It will be looking nice to see. So now I am going to add this. So I have 12 lamp for this. So we will keep this lamp now. So now I have fixed all lamps. So you can see all lamps here and here. So now I am going to lighten the lamp. So now our water lamp with gods is completed.